Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So due to lockdown, koloko ulai jabo para nai, ride dibo para nai. So suddenly bhabilo je bike khonoke okoman wrap korao simple ke. Sao bike khon keneka lage, ki ba koribo pari bolok. So guys, finally ahi pai golu. আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাইছে যে ৰেপ কৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে। আশা কৰো ভালে লাগিব। চাও কেনেকা বা লাগে। So guys, my bike khon complete hoise goi aru olop kam ase moi gote bike khon cinematic shotot dekham because eneke rap korai thakote video kori pele dekhabole possible nohoy karon moi help kori thakibo logia hoise so sao cinematic ot kiman khini dekhaba paru apnalokok aha koru bhale lagibo apnalokoru
I've been okay, yeah. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this girl, gonna miss it. Living right now for the memories, let's get it. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life. We live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life. We live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside. We just had a sipping, drinking, smoking on some medicine, and we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city 'cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy 'cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let 'em in 'cause the ladies know that I'm a motherfucking gentleman.
So guys, যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিলে লাইক শেয়ার আৰু সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি দিব লগতে ৰেপটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিলে কমেন্টত জনাব থ্যাংক ইউ